for you.
You gonna open this for me? Alright, let's see who this is from. To Emma from Busha and Jaja. I'll trade you. You open the gift, I eat the chocolate. What is it?
Crown.
What is it? It's a princess crown for the princess. You put it on?
Never now.
You eat your jelly beans? That'll be good with your princess outfits, Emma. You play dress up?
There you go. You too.
I got two?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright. To Daddy. You gonna open it up?
This from you.
Right.
Oh, yeah. Open that.
Woo-wee! Just what Daddy needs. Look, Emma. Some nice shirts.
Cool.
Yes, that's nice. That's real soft. You still eating on the jelly beans?
This is for we open our presents.
Oh, you're just gonna eat them while you open the presents? That's nice. And it's an extra one. Oh, let's see who that's for. That's for Emma. You want me to cut the ribbon?
What is it?
No.
A bunch of necklaces.
A bunch. Take them out. Dump them out. Wow. You are going to play lots of dress up. Can I have some?
Now open this.
Oh, you want to open it? That one heavy one? Okay, let's see who this is for. Oh,
Who's that from?
it's for Mommy from Busha and Jaja. You gonna open? Oh, oh, look! I got some boots. Are they boots or are they slippers?
Boots. These boots.
They're boots? They're slipper socks. They're slippers. How fun is that? You want to wear them? You want to put them on?
Yeah.
You've been wanting some slippers.
Look at my big flippers.
You gonna wear them? Alright, put them on.
I'm gonna wear them after we open our presents.
Okay. Nice. What else did Mommy get? Oh, goodness. Look at that. Look how, oh, Emma, feel that. I got a robe. Look at that. So Mama is going to live in this. It'll work out very well on those days that I have to get out of bed 5 and 6 times a night. Look at that. That is so nice. This is so cozy. Nice.
Wow!
Mmm. You ready to open up some more?
Yeah!
Alright.
I get in here.
You get in there.
What else in the Santa thing?
Put those in the Santa thing. Are you gonna get in the box?
Yeah, put those in the Santa thing. Well, it fall out last night.
They fold out last night? That's so nice. You're all about the candy, aren't you? That's gonna be too chewy for you, honey. Yeah.
You got one?
Yep.
Okay.
Who's that for? Emma. That's for Emma.
Banana.
Who's that from? Do you know who it's from?
Banana.
Food shop.
Yucky. What's this? Other necklaces? Babies?
No, who is that? No, that's Sleeping Beauty. Oh, and a hat. Look at Daddy. Too cute. Mommy wear it? Mommy wear it? What do you think? You like it? Yeah? What are you going for?